Mazy and welcome to my math tutorial YouTube channel. And for this video, I will discuss about comparing integers. So you will learn how to compare integers using the number line and without the number line. So first is, let's define what is integers. So when we say integers, so integers are whole numbers and their opposites or in other words, so the set of integers consists of the positive integers and the negative integers and 0. To visualize that, let's use the number line. Okay, so this is the integer number line. So as you can see, we have positive integers, negative integers, and 0. Okay, so on the right side of this integer number line lies the positive integers. So all integers on the right side of zeros are positive integers. Next, all integers on the left side of 0 are negative integers, and 0 is neither positive nor negative integer. So that means it has no sign. So it's just 0. So from 0 to the right side, so the values of integers are increasing. And from 0 to the left side of this number line, so the value of the integers are decreasing. Okay? So that means integers on the right side are always bigger or more than the integers on the left side. Okay, so now let's try to compare these integers using the number line. Suppose that we have this given, so we have 1 and negative 3. First is, let's locate the 1. So 1 is here and negative 3 is here. Again, integers on the right side is always bigger than the integer on the left side. So that means 1 is more than negative 3. Okay? So next is we have negative 2 and negative 6. So let's compare them. So negative 2 is here and negative 6 is in this part of the number line. So that means, so negative 2 is on the right side. So that means it is bigger than negative 6. Next given. So we have 1 and 10. 1 and 10. So let's locate 1. So it is here. And of course, 10 is on the right side. So between these two, 10 is on the right side. So that means 10 is bigger than 1. Next is 0 and negative 5. 0 and negative 5. So 0 is here. And negative 5 is on the left side. So that means 0 is bigger than negative 5. Of course, we have negative 2 and 2. So 2 is here and negative 2 is here. Okay, so that 2 is on the right side. So that means it is bigger than negative 2. And of course, we have positive 7 and then 0. So 0 and positive 7. So which one is bigger? Yes, the positive 7. Okay, so that's how you compare integers using the number line. So now let's compare these integers without using. Okay, so now let's compare these integers without using the number line. So compare the integers using the more than, less than, or equal sign, the equality sign. So we have for number 1, negative 42 and negative 67. So when it comes to negative numbers, those who have smaller absolute values or smaller numbers is always bigger than the other. So that means negative 42 is more than negative 67. Next is negative 4 and positive 4. So negative 4 is on the left side of 0, while positive integers such as positive 4 is on the right side of 0. or more than negative 4. Next is we have 0 and negative 6. Okay, so 0 is in the middle of the number line, while negative 6 is on the left side of 0. Okay, so that means 0 is greater than any negative number such as negative 6. Okay, so for number 4, we have positive 89 and negative 89. So in this case, always remember that positive integers is always more than negative integers. So that means positive 89 is greater than negative 89. Next is we have negative 91 and negative 112. So both of them are negative integers. So again, if both of the given are negative, the integer with smaller absolute value is always bigger because it is closer to 0. Okay? So that means negative 91 is greater than negative 112. Okay, so that's it. So that's how you compare integers using the number line and without using the number line. So for more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you on my next videos. Bye!